Personalized immunotherapy now is 5 years old. Became approved in the U.S. about 5 years ago, and now has had a very large expansion into Europe and worldwide. And the major challenge right now is actually supply, meeting the demand. And so that's, I think, to be expected because the logistics are very complicated of right now making cell products for every patient one by one. And so there's one major effort, which is to make what we call universal CAR cells and to use other donors and then make them in large batches rather than one by one. And I think within the next 5 to 10 years that is going to happen. But there's also major progress in manufacturing now to meet the demand. And so I think, you know, it's going to get better as the time to manufacturing becomes shorter. Like right now, CAR T-cell time manufacturing from when patient donates their blood and then it's sent to a manufacturing plant and then it comes back, that's 22 days. And now we have a process at the University of Pennsilvània where it's 3 days. So much more rapid from the initial time to when the patient can get treated.